Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, Septira's Room. I'm finally back from my wonderful 2-week trip to my country, Indonesia, to visit family, enjoy some great food, and doing some sightseeing and relaxation. So I'm here now to share with you a project that I made just before I went on my trip, and it's a mini album. Or booklet where I wanted to store my embellishments and just another way to display them and have them ready if I wanted to use them. So I thought I'd make a mini album and stick them to the pages, and then I've got them ready if I need them. And I think it's also a nice way to have them displayed inside an album. So this is how it looks like. It's very, very chunky, full of dimensional embellishments and pages and pockets in here, so it's places for me to put them in. And I will be back to show you how to make the album if you wanted to use it to place your embellishments in. It's just it's a small size, but you can make this slightly bigger if you like. But let me just show you what it looks like. I did add this really fun dangle, just using some papers to add to the spine of the album, and just have that decorative there. And then this is one of the embellishments I've made. Some of you may already recognize the embellishments that I've made, because I did make these in my past videos and showed you how to put them together. And this here is the closure. So you can see here, that's the width of the album. And this is the back. And so it just opens up like that. And so what the back of this cover part, I've just added a thick, I don't know if you can see it, just a thick foam square that's like a tape, and I just taped on the top and down the bottom here, and then left it so that I can slide the closure in the middle like that. So that just slides in and it just keeps it all closed. So let me show you the inside, and I'll show you the embellishments that I have in here. So the album opens up like this. So I'll just fix this up. Oops. And all I've used here is some little foam squares. This one's just popped out. See these foam squares? I've just used that to the back of the embellishment. So when I'm ready to use the one I want, I'll just pop it out like that. That's the little foam square, and I mean that comes out just gently. Just pop that there. And then I can then use this embellishment on a project, and then I can then replace this with another piece. So it just goes like that. And then on this side here, I've got a embellished paper clip. So this is also another one. I just did that to place there. So there's a little foam square, and there's the paper clip. So any blank space, I just use that to place an embellishment. So just pop that there. And then this is another one. This one here, I only made this one recently. This was fun to make. And I think I made one of these as well. And then at the back here, I made a pocket. Let's see. This is just a pocket up here, just to place some tags, some note cards, or just another spot if you wanted to add a few bits and pieces. So I made that into a pocket up there. It opens up like this, and this is the pocket. So I've made the pocket to add more tags in the front here. This is a embellished tag, and the pocket is a nice opening one, so you can see that it's not sealed on this side, so there is room to add some bulky tags, or tags that's got some dimensional embellishment. And then this is another, this was the blank space there, and this is another one I made. I made this a while ago. It's really pretty. Then coming to this side is another page for some more embellishments that I made. Again, they just pop out like that. There's your faux square, and then I can use that. And then this opens up like this. And there is also another pocket here at the back. So I've got one embellishment here. This is a ticket strip embellishment. It opens up like that. And then I've made this to be another place for my smaller embellishments. Just little tiny ones that I've used my punches. Some circle punched embellishment. This is some more. And there's some more embellishments here. This one just uses, I use circle punches and heart punch. And then I also use a star punch. So a lot of these embellishments are just simple, budget-friendly embellishments using what you have, punches, circle punches. Like this one here, I just used 3 circle punches and then just cut out a piece of paper, made it into a banner strip. And then it opens up to some more embellishments inside on this side. So it just looks pretty even just displayed like this. So that closes up like that. And then we have more embellishments on this side. This is another one. Then we come to this side. There is some more. Take this one out. Oops, it's good. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to get out, but this is another one. And this here is a pocket. Oh no, this flips open that way. This is another flip page with another embellishment there. I've added an embellishment there. And then there is a side pocket here. I've just cut a piece of paper and corner around the corners. Maybe this could be somewhere to add some flat embellishments in here, or just somewhere to add some of your little journaling cards if you want to, somewhere to store them. So there's a pocket in here. So this goes in there. Closes up. And then we go onto this side. Another embellishment. I made this using a wood pick. And then just placing a couple of gold glitter circles using hole punch, just to, because that's the wood pick's pointy on this side, so I just added that there to keep it so it's not too sharp. So that was a blank page, and then I just placed that in the front. And this part flips up. Oh, I've missed one. I've lost a piece. I had one up there, one of these ones. It must have come out, but there were 2 of those there. And then I've got these 2 here. So I can use these if I want to on a project. So that closes up like that. And this is the last page. I made this a while back. It's a little house embellishment with a little tassel and one of my bows that I made. I did this just recently as well, using 6-inch strip papers to make your own do-it-yourself paper bow. So that's there. And then that's the back. And that is how it looks like. Really fun mini album for all of your embellishments. And yes, just thought I'd share this with you. And I'm going to come back and I'll do a tutorial for you on how to make the base of this mini album to add your embellishments in. So I hope you enjoyed this project share, and I will be back for another video. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.